The wait is almost over. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3, and this time, it's bringing some serious upgrades. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the next-gen Ultra model is expected to debut later this year with satellite connectivity, 5G support, and a host of performance enhancements. If these reports are accurate, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could be the most advanced smartwatch Apple has ever released, and a major leap forward for outdoor adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts alike. Satellite connectivity. Stay connected off the grid. One of the most exciting rumored features is satellite messaging support. This would allow users to send text messages even when Wi-Fi and cellular networks are unavailable, perfect for emergencies or remote travel. Even more impressive? It's expected to work independently of the iPhone, making the Ultra 3 a true standalone device in critical situations. This feature could position the Apple Watch Ultra 3 as a must-have for hikers, climbers, and explorers who often find themselves off the grid. Antenna bars 5G for smartwatches, a first for Apple. Gurman also reports that the Ultra 3 will support a specialized version of 5G designed specifically for smartwatches. While current Ultra models already support LTE, the move to 5G could mean faster data speeds, improved streaming, and more responsive cloud-based features, all from your wrist. This would mark the first time Apple has brought 5G to its wearable lineup, signaling a major step forward in smartwatch connectivity. Gear hardware upgrades: faster, brighter, and smarter. Beyond connectivity, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to receive several hardware enhancements. A new S10 chip or newer, delivering faster performance and better efficiency. Faster charging for quicker top-ups on the go. A wide-angle OLED display with improved brightness at off angles. A higher refresh rate for smoother animations and a better always-on display experience. Many of these upgrades were introduced last year in the Apple Watch Series 10, and now they're making their way to the Ultra line. Stethoscope. What about blood pressure monitoring? Apple has been working on a blood pressure monitoring feature for the Apple Watch, but according to Gurman, the company is still facing technical challenges. It remains unclear whether this feature will be ready in time for the Ultra 3's launch, which is expected in just over 2 months. If it doesn't make the cut, it could be reserved for a future model, possibly the Apple Watch Ultra 4 or Series 11. Calendar. When will Apple Watch Ultra 3 launch? While Apple hasn't officially confirmed a release date, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to launch this fall, likely alongside the iPhone 17 lineup. With major upgrades in connectivity, performance, and display technology, this could be the most compelling Apple Watch yet. Magnifying glass. Tilted left. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be more than just a rugged smartwatch. It's evolving into a powerful, independent communication device. With satellite messaging, 5G support, and a suite of hardware upgrades, Apple is clearly aiming to redefine what a smartwatch can do. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to launch, and prepare for a wearable that might just outshine your phone.